Hi, my name is Sunny, market manager for PDM. And this year I'm going to introduce the carbon steel network cabinet for some maybe some for some data center or maybe for some network centers. So this we have several layers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 layers you can use. And also here we have the door and we did not install this. So this is a freestanding network cabinet and with the four wheels. You can just move it very easily. You see here, move it very easy. Maybe you can just move here. Okay, actually here is, yeah, we have a door here. Yeah, you can remove the door and here, close. Okay, and this side we also have a door here. Yeah, so it's very easy to handle your network products here. So just move it back. So if you want to custom carbon steel electric enclosure for any project, KDM is the first choice.